good afternoon for giving this opportunity to speak. Uh, before my speaking, there are four speakers here already very elaborately discussed about the plastic waste management and e-waste also. So I don't want to repeat the same. To cut it short, I just what MSME is doing for the industry that I would just want to highlight. As everybody knows, the plastics in India is a 385 lakh crores industry, and it is growing at the rate of 7%, and it is growing at the rate of 7% every year. So plastic cannot go; it has to be there. But only thing, the awareness should be there, and the uses should be, corrected, because during the before the budget, the government of India just 2 years back, the previous government they consulted a lot of people, including me also, how to ban. I mean, whether the plastic bottle to be banned or not. So when we have discussed with them, this is a more than 1,000 crore industry. If you will, we are already not creating jobs, and if you will close down this industry, what is the problem with the plastic bottles? The problem is littering. Who is doing the littering? You and me. So we have to correct it ourselves. The product का तो कोई problem है नहीं. Problem तो आपने में है. So we have to be corrected. So that is the message and awareness program we are doing as a chamber also. Day before yesterday, I was having a meeting with the secretary of MSME, almost 45 minutes to 1 hour, for discussing particularly this issue to incentivize plastic recycling, e-waste recycling, tire and rubber recycling, and paper recycling. These are the four major recycling industries are coming up already there. A lot of industries are coming up. So if they incentivize, government of India will incentivize, definitely a lot of people will more come. What we are doing as a MSME, we have started an incubation center in Golgotia University of 35,000 students there, and we are going to do the same thing in 35 another incubation centers across the country. Where what we are doing now, we are building up the students to start how to start a MSME or startups. First, give the initial arrange the initial loans from 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs without any collateral, and after that our industry experts will give them the suggestion to buy the machines, how to buy the machines from where. And we have already tied up with Serum Institute for Industrial Research, 70 years old company. Their researchers will teach the startups and MSMEs how to make their product, because they don't know. Somebody wants to make a laptop, they don't know how to make a laptop. So they will teach them how to make a laptop, laboratory test, then all costing, how to get the raw materials, what is the total market size, where to be penetrated. All these things they will give the training. And the last, I want to add one thing. We have two companies. One is MSME Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India, which is servicing the MSMEs and startups. And we have another company, World Grespo Foundation. Grespo means Green Expo, inspiring the green world. So where we are servicing the corporates and middle industries. So as a whole, the whole industry we are looking at servicing. So what actually our motto is, Frost and we have collaborated with a company, California-based giant, in process engineering, sustainability, and digital transformation. Frost and Sullivan, आप लोगों ने नाम सुना होगा. We have collaborated with both the companies. The main motto of collaboration is to make the MSMEs of India world class, manufacturing unit world class, and similarly the corporates and the middle industries, because 95% of the middle industries are not following any rules, according to the world standard. So we have taken a pledge. If both of us together will make the MSME industries manufacturing unit, world class. Simultaneously, the middle industries and corporates is also world class, so that only one product can be manufactured and they can supply not only in India, anywhere in the world. Because हमारे देश में क्या होता है कि जो टॉप क्वालिटी की चीज़ होती है वो बाहर जाती है, जो लोअर क्वालिटी है वो इंडिया में बिकती है. अभी गवर्नमेंट का भी यही सोचना है, प्रधानमंत्री भी यही चाहते हैं कि वॉट एवर प्रोडक्ट वी विल मेक, दिस शुड बी द ओनली वन प्रोडक्ट, so that you can supply. You need not to keep any inventory also for that. This is for domestic, this is for exports. So only one quality. The Indian people should also the world-class quality, and they can do the exports also in various countries. So Frost and Sullivan will be helped by MSMEs also to do the exports, because MSMEs doesn't know about the export market. So they will also help for the export market. That thing we are doing. So there are a lot of other things are there, like, if you will see the Indian plastic recycle industry, it is approximately USD, 4,100 million in 2024, and we are expecting by 2032 it will be 5,198 billion, which is an increase of 8%, 8.3% per year. So this is a huge market, and a lot of since I am in the industry for a long time, a lot of recycling companies already in India, and a lot of other global companies are also coming to India for collaboration or for putting the plant here in India, whether it is plastic, whether it is e-waste. Both the industries have a very big, good future, and we hope by 2024 to 2032, it will be one of the golden period of Indian industry to grow globally. And last things, there are some unorganized sectors are all there. There are 10,000 people are working in, Doraji in Gujarat, where, all the recyclers are working from their home. There is no GST, there is no, authenticity, no website, nothing, which is creating the problems also. For those people, the other industry who are doing the GST business, the proper business they are doing, they are facing the problems. So we are already talking with the government to make this cluster also legalized, so that, if they will also legalize, it will help the industries who are already growing on the basis of, Indian industry rules. So they should also come into there. So MSME is doing a lot of work in plastic recycling industry as well as in e-waste industry, and hopefully in the coming few years you will see a drastic change, in recycling, because bottle recycling is a very big market, and people are doing, all over the country. A lot of people are coming up. When we are interacting with the students, there are four sectors they are very, very much interested to come. One is plastic recycling, one is e-waste, and third is, rubber industries, and fourth is energy. Sorry, not rubber. Third is EV, and fourth is, energy, solar energy. These are the four sectors. So I don't want to take much more time. Thank you very much.